BFISPORT EB20 Electric Bike Review by Travel with Glen. Ready to revolutionize your daily travel and leisure adventures? Meet the BFISPORT EB20 electric bike. It is a perfect mix of convenience, innovation, and sustainability. Join us at Travel with Glen as we take you on a journey filled with excitement, exploring every feature that makes this bike stand out. The BFISPORT EB20 is more than just a bike. It's a smart lifestyle upgrade. With its powerful 500 watts motor, versatile riding modes, and a robust design, it seamlessly adapts to your unique needs. Whether you're commuting, exploring trails, or cruising through parks, this bike has got you covered. Glide through city streets or climb rugged trails, this bike's high-speed 500 watts brushless motor ensures a smooth ride. With speeds up to 28 miles per hour, you can conquer steep inclines and uneven terrain with ease, unlocking unparalleled freedom and mobility. Choose between pure electric mode, pedal assist, or classic bike mode to match your mood or fitness goals. Zip through traffic, enjoy a peaceful cruise, or challenge yourself with cardio all in one bike. Switching modes is as easy as pushing a button. Need compact storage? The EB20 folds down in just 3 seconds. Perfect for tight urban apartments, car trunks, or carrying on public transit. It's a commuter's dream with no compromise on performance. Equipped with 26x4 puncture-resistant fat tires, this bike handles it all rocky roads, sandy beaches, or snowy paths. Its wide tires provide exceptional stability and comfort, no matter the terrain, letting adventure know no boundaries. The sleek LCD lets you track battery levels, mileage, and speed at a glance. Planning a long ride? Use its built-in USB charging port to keep your devices powered on the go. There's no compromise on utility. Experience smooth and bump-free rides, thanks to dual-shock front forks and rear spring suspension. The sturdy aluminum alloy frame ensures durability, paired with Shimano's 7-speed gear system for fine-tuned riding experiences. Choosing the EB20 isn't just smart for you, it's kind to the planet too. Save on rising fuel prices while reducing your carbon footprint. The electric motor offers a sustainable way to travel, making it both cost-efficient and environmentally responsible. Whether commuting solo or riding with loved ones, the cargo rack is perfect for adding in packages or extra items hands-free. Spend quality outdoor time with family or friends, turning every ride into a memorable adventure. Forget the hassle of frequent repairs. The EB20 is built with high-quality, low-maintenance components. Keep it running smoothly with simple, regular checks, and enjoy long-term reliability. Get biking right out of the box. The EB20 comes 90% pre-assembled. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 12-month warranty and a responsive customer support team that ensures help is just 24 hours away. 1. Urban commuters, slash your commute time and bypass traffic with ease. 2. Outdoor enthusiasts. Explore trails, beaches, or countryside paths with confidence. 3. Eco-conscious riders. Join the movement towards sustainable living without compromising on fun. Riding the BFISPORT EB20 transcends being just transportation. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Its aesthetics and performance make it a leader in electric bikes. Whether you're an adventure seeker or casual rider, this bike is tailored for all. Why wait? Join the e-bike revolution today. Invest in the BFISPORT EB20 electric bike for a greener, healthier, and more thrilling lifestyle. Visit the official site now and make every ride unforgettable. Saddle up and redefine your travels with the BFISPORT EB20.